What's up, YouTube? Today I got a new product. It's a TOORUN Bluetooth M26. In my description I will have a link to where to buy. Coming just like this. This is what it looks like. They have different colors. It's not too bad, but it's not a 5-star, to be honest. The sound quality is alright. The voice, not too bad, and also the cancellation of the sound wasn't too bad either. You know, it's not a 5-star. I say it's about 3.5. About, not the best. It also comes with extra accessories. You have your charger and using the device, your instructions, and that's about it. In my description I will have a link to where to buy. They have 2 colors. It's not too bad, but for a Bluetooth, not bad at all. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.